Welcome to Puget Sound Naval Shipyard and Intermediate Maintenance Facility. We provide the U.S. Navy with high-quality, on-time maintenance, modernization, recycling, and support that helps assure America's dominance at sea. We're located at 3 sites in Washington State, Bremerton, Bangor, and Everett, as well as detachments in San Diego, California, Yokosuka, Japan, and Guam, with worldwide travel to meet the needs of the Navy. The shipyard in Bremerton is the Pacific Northwest's largest naval shore facility and one of Washington State's largest industrial installations, with the mission to maintain, modernize, and retire our Navy's fleet. In order to accomplish this mission, over 14,000 skilled men and women work as Department of Defense civilians in a variety of positions like electricians, machinists, welders, painters, pipe fitters, riggers, scientists, divers, engineers, information technology, project management, and more. We work in integrated teams to accomplish the task as efficiently and effectively as possible. We perform maintenance, repairs, and modernizations on submarines and aircraft carriers, similar to people taking their car to the shop for periodic maintenance, like an oil change or to have something that's broken fixed. Our shop and equipment is much larger due to the sheer size of the ships and components we work on. We offer competitive salaries, health, and life insurance, 13 to 26 paid vacation days a year, and 13 days of sick leave, and a great retirement plan. Each career path at PSNS requires U.S. citizenship, a security and physical fitness screening, and specific position qualifications. For more information, apply at usajobs.gov. Thank you.